And if you are shipping a car from Coparts out of Houston, Texas, this is your video. Hi, my name is Rick with CarShipGuy.com. I developed a website called CarShipGuy.com, and I get people the lowest prices on any vehicle that needs to be shipped. This gentleman, thank you Chico again for another great opportunity to give you a shipment going from Houston, Texas, Coparts to Philadelphia to a dealership. It's a car, it's a 2015 Nissan Sentra, and we're going to check the price. Boom. Now I guarantee you that these prices you see here, 725, 650, 600, 710, 600, are not even close to what Coparts is trying to charge you. Not to mention that you only have 4 to 5 days at Coparts to get the vehicle out of there until they start charging you storage fees. So you have to go with them. They stick you with their price and they mess you up, guys. So if you guys want a cheap price on getting your car out of Coparts, contact me, Rick, CarShipGuy.com, or visit my website, CarShipGuy.com, and you guys can get a quote just like this. I'll shoot a video to you, take screenshots so you can see exactly what you're going to be paying the trucker. No middleman involved. The only thing I charge is 25 bucks to post your vehicle on this website here, centraldispatch.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Please share, tell all your friends you got a shipment from Coparts, IAA, or any type of auto auction. I'm your guy, guys. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a fantastic day.